Okay, now we move on to Ielts speaking part 2. Your topic is describe a time when you changed your opinion, past tense, right? You should say when it was, past tense, what the original opinion was, right, which you changed, what you changed, why you changed it, reason, and explain how you felt about it. So your cue card is all in past tense, use past simple and variety of other past structures. So please, you can start.
Naturally, human behaviors and opinions toward things and persons are changed according to time and situations. Well, it's not uncommon to see people changing their views as we change circumstances. We all change their behaviors or opinions. I always prefer to talk my elders before making my decisions. So I can save myself before getting into trouble. Here I would like to talk about one such incident when I had to change my opinion. When I was in school, it was 3 years ago. One new family came into our neighborhood. Total 5 members are in a family. All are working in different sectors, and some persons did not make conversations with other peoples. So my family, friends and neighbor opinion that they were arrogant, and these peoples did not make this type of conversation because they came into different friends parties and also invite their relatives, so they are introvert, and but after some time
Okay, thank you. Now the first thing is you have to come to the main point first and then elaborate. You took 42 seconds to come to the main topic. The topic is describe a time when you change your opinion. You were just talking about opinions and this and that, and then after 42 seconds you said the time when I changed my opinion and all that. So the first thing is first come to the main point,
Yes.
then elaborate. Don't elaborate first and then come to the main point. Second, I found grammatical mistakes, especially you are using present tense in that. Like you said, members are, then you said are working, then you said people are and did not came together, then you said they invite, it should have been they invited and all that, and then you had certain issues with fluency also, you're speaking word by word, right? Let's move on to speaking part 3.
so part 3 is not prepared.
That's okay, let's go on to part 3. Do children like to change opinion? Just try to answer. Do children-
नहीं पढ़े मैंने एक दफा भी.
Still you can answer, it's English, you can answer. Do children like to change opinion?
I think children like to change opinion with time.
Very good, you're answering well, keep it up. Yeah.
When they move into different
Okay, all right. Thank you. So looking at your performance in cue card, I'll give you a 5 band now.